Hey yo guys, what is up? 607 Roger back at it again, and today we have a little something different. We're gonna be doing a little tutorial to teach you guys how to wax your skis at home. It's really kind of on a budget waxing job too. It's just a bunch of home goods most of you guys should already have at home. We have here just an old t-shirt, a little rag. We have my iron that's getting nice and hot right now. You want to make sure you get one just for ski wax because it will get ruined after. But yeah, then we have our all-purpose wax right here, and we just have a medium bristle brush, not too stiff, not too hard, not too soft either. And here are my skis, guys. They're Vocal Revolt 95s. I just got them this season. Been treating me very well, and I just decided it's time to finally throw on some wax. We are going somewhere very special tomorrow, so make sure you guys stick around, subscribe. If you guys are liking the content, this channel is here to stay, guys, and I hope you guys all liked seeing the last video too, liked it, subscribed. It's one of my first ski edits, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll definitely be having one tomorrow. And you guys just need to stick around and see where we're going. But I'm not gonna waste any more time. I'm just gonna jump right in and show you guys how to do this. It's pretty quick, pretty easy. So yeah. Alright guys, so first step you're gonna wanna do is make sure your skis are all cleaned off. I already did that. I just took a nice clean rag, scraped them across. You don't want any like debris from, you know, mountain pebbles or anything like that. But literally all you're gonna want to do is just find a point on your iron where it can easily drip off, and then literally all you're gonna do is make like a zigzag down the skis with the melted wax. And you're gonna want to make sure your iron's not too hot, not too cold. You just want appropriate amount. You want to be careful doing this because if your iron is too high, you guys can really damage the base of your skis. Just get a nice liberal amount, don't be scared. And also, if you guys do have the time, you guys can also go ahead and take off your brakes on the side. It'll really make a whole difference for you guys. I just don't have the time right now. I'm just getting ready last minute for a ski trip tomorrow. Very stoked about. First time, big peaks in the east. And my buddy, we're both very stoked. So yeah, you're just gonna want to do this to both skis. I'll show you guys when I get done with this one, and I'll just fast forward the second one. Still dripping, but here's the first ski before I melt it on. Get a nice even coating with that, just like that. Just be careful not to burn yourself with the iron, you know. The tips can be kind of hard to do. If you have twin tips like that, then the rounded up corners, especially if you're not using the ski iron, but I'm just gonna have to make do with what we have. I think we're gonna need a little more wax right here, guys. And this is also my third season skiing. First time waxing my skis. It's probably my it'll be my sixth time on these skis tomorrow, so I said it's definitely time to do it. I just didn't really have skis worth waxing before. Ooh. So I just said, might as well do it with these. I love these skis, by the way, guys. Alright guys, So the first one right here, I have it all waxed up. We're just gonna wanna let this sit on here. I'll give you guys a little view to see what it looks like. You're just gonna wanna let that sit on there though and harden back up. And while that's hardening, I'll do the second one and I'll just skip forward for you guys. And once they're both hardened up and dried out, you're gonna wanna take your scraper and just scrape it all off. And then after that, you want to hit it with the brush, even it out nicely. Don't be too rough with the brush though. You don't want to take off all the wax off, just most of it. And then last, we're just going to buff it with this t-shirt. Do the second. Alright guys, so it's been about 10-15 minutes.
15 minutes later.
It's now, since we did this first one. And we're just gonna go ahead and get our scraper, and you're just gonna wanna just scrape it off. That's simple. And this is why I said to be careful if you guys are doing it inside, because you can see where this can get pretty messy. You don't want your mom's getting mad at you guys. I know my mom would be very mad. She saw wax all over the pool table. Just be gentle. You don't want to take most of it off, but not all of it. So this is what it's going to look like after you run through with the scraper. Next, you're going to want to take your brush and start from the front, work your way to the back. Very lightly, guys. Will help smooth out the wax to even it out. Nice thin even coating is what we're looking for. Perfect, guys. And now we just buff with our old t-shirt. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, we're gonna do the same on this one, guys. I will just fast forward through this one. Alright guys, here's one final shot of the skis all done up. They are looking way better than before, and I can't wait to see how they perform tomorrow, if there's any noticeable difference. But thank you guys for watching today's tutorial, and if you guys liked it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. Stay posted on the channel because we have some very interesting videos coming out here tomorrow and the next few days. We are taking a trip. Peace, guys.